If you live in Ghana and Nigeria and you've already tried withdrawing cryptocurrency from your wallet, then you know how frustrating this can be. Most of the times, you have to rely on P2P traders or middlemen, deal with bad exchange rates, delays, or sometimes even take the risk of getting scammed by these middlemen. But what if you could convert your crypto directly into mobile money or into your bank account without going through any hassle by contacting a middleman and for the middleman to just scam you at the end? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to withdraw crypto without using P2P, which is the middleman. I'll walk you through exactly how it works, so make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is L and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. With more people earning online, freelancing and creating content, getting paid in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDT is becoming very common these days. The challenge isn't receiving crypto, it's turning crypto into usable cash that you can actually spend right in your country. And when I say country, either being in Ghana or Nigeria. Traditionally, people relied on peer-to-peer exchange or individual traders. And while that works, it often means giving up control, accepting lower rates, or trusting someone you don't know just to get scammed at the end. That is why tools that simplify this process are becoming increasingly important. Today, I'll be showing you a platform called Breet. Now, Breet allows you to convert cryptocurrency directly into cash payouts. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step process so you can see exactly how Breet works. You can use Breet to convert your cryptocurrency into your local currency, either cedis or naira, in your mobile money or in your bank account. I had almost about $100 in one of my affiliate accounts, and on that platform you could either withdraw through cryptocurrency or bank. So my money was stuck on the platform until I came across Breet while I was researching. Now, I was very skeptical about this. Whilst testing Breet, I was really scared that I might get scammed. And so this is the whole process on how I created the account and created a wallet and then sent the money to my wallet and then withdrew it into my local currency right here in Ghana. All right, so this is the page you get when you want to sign up. You either select between these two countries, Ghana and Nigeria. I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to select Ghana. Type in a username, an email address, and a mobile phone number. You set your password, and right here you can type in my referral code and then click on next. All right, so when signing up to the platform, that is my referral code. You can type in here the referral section so that I can get some free bonuses for referring you. I think that does it. I bring you the tutorials and you help me make more money. It's going to send an OTP code, which is 4 digits to this email, and I'm going to type it in right here. Once typed in, I'm going to verify the OTP, and it's going to take me to the main home page or dashboard. To proceed, I'm then going to click on complete account setup, and right from here, it's going to ask me to set a transaction PIN, add a bank account, and a KYC authentication. To proceed, I'm then going to select Let's Go, and I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can set the PIN, add a bank account, and then verify your KYC. All right, so you want to create a transaction PIN. In this case, I'm going to type in 1219, and this is the PIN you use when you want to withdraw your Bitcoin to local currency. From there, click on save, and it's going to move on to the next step by adding a bank account. Click on continue and then select a bank account. It can either be mobile money or any bank account in your country respectively. I'm then going to select MTN mobile money and type in my number. Click on verify, and you can see it showing my name right here. I'm going to add the default narration, and I'm just going to type in my name right there and click on save account. Now, what is left is the KYC authentication. Click on that one and then select continue. That is where you verify your identity and then a proof of address. In this case, you can select the best options right here or the one that best suits you, and then you can verify. From there, you're then going to verify your location by giving them a statement or anything that shows that you are in this particular country, either Ghana or Nigeria. Now we're going to take a look at how you can generate wallet addresses by clicking on send crypto, and right here you can then click on any of these and then select generate all wallet addresses. This is going to give you a specific address to each wallet that you can send your cryptocurrency on. In this case, we are generating the wallet addresses, and it's going to take like 20 seconds and we are done. So when you want to get your wallet address, all you have to do is click on any of these cryptocurrencies, and you can see the QR code and the wallet address down there. You can copy it and use it to receive funds from other platforms. Now, that is how your account is going to be after you're done verifying everything. So that is it. Now, let me take you through the steps on how you can withdraw money. Now, I have almost about 1,084 Ghana cedis in my account. And so what we need to do is that we need to withdraw the money, right? So we're going to go to transaction. You can see I just received this amount of Bitcoin from one of my accounts. So I'm going to select wallet, and right from here, the best option to do is to click on withdraw. Now, whenever you receive money, you get points for receiving money. So that is also part of the platform. I'm going to click on withdraw, and I'm going to select mass, and then I'm withdrawing 1,080. So you could select any of these accounts, and you can add accounts like I showed you previously. You can then add any bank accounts, Prudential Bank if you do have a bank. We can add Stanbic Bank if you do have that bank too. You can also add mobile money, which is the simplest method I can find on this platform. The banks is sometimes delayed. You can type in any mobile money number and verify, and you can see it's showing my name right here. So I'm then going to go back, since I've already connected a mobile money number to it. So click on withdraw, select the amount right here, and then from here I'm going to select this, my mobile money number, click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, it's then going to give me the amounts, the bank account, and the transaction fee is actually free. And that is what I love about this platform. Now, all you need to do is to click on withdraw, and it will ask you to type in an OTP code, which will be sent to your email account. This is it. I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. And it's going to ask me to type in a transaction PIN. Remember, we created one when we were signing up. So type in and click on submit. And right here, I was really scared because I thought these people would scam me, but actually my money came into my account, and that is how you do it, guys. After waiting for 3 minutes, the money reflected in my mobile money account, and you can see that this is it. This is a transaction, mobile money. You receive 1,080 Ghana cedis from Paystick, and that is it. Alright guys, so that is how you can transfer your cryptocurrency, being it Bitcoin, Litecoin, or any type of cryptocurrency online into your local currency in Nigeria or in Ghana. I'll leave links in the description to every tool that I use. You can then click on them and sign up and use my referral code. Don't forget the referral code. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.